Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make potato and broccoli casserole, which is a great comfort food as it's very quick and easy to make with some basic ingredients besides being delicious and filling. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. So for my casserole recipe, I've taken here one broccoli cut into medium-sized florets like this, and 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into this shape and size. Next, heat a pan and into it I will drizzle a teaspoon of olive oil and a small cube of butter. Let the butter melt completely. And now goes some minced garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods and 1 medium onion thinly sliced. And on medium flame we will saute the garlic and onions until they turn golden brown and aromatic. And now we will add the broccoli florets and the potato slices. And now on medium flame we will stir them for few seconds. And now I will quickly season them with a pinch of salt or as per taste, some freshly crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes or as per taste. Now mix this well. I have sauteed the broccoli and potatoes in pan so that the flavors of fried garlic, onions and herbs are well incorporated in them and we get a flavorful and delicious broccoli and potato casserole. Alright, this part is done. Next, take a bowl and into it I will break 2 eggs. And I will season the eggs with a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of milk. Now beat the eggs well with the help of a whisker. And now into this egg batter I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of refined flour. Mix the flour with the eggs until you get a smooth and lumps-free batter. And our flour and egg batter is ready. Next, take an oven-safe dish or casserole and into it we'll drizzle a teaspoon of olive oil. Brush the oil on all the sides of the casserole. And now into this greased casserole we will add the broccoli and potatoes sauteed with garlic, onions and herbs. And with the help of the spatula I will spread the potatoes and broccoli evenly in the casserole. And here in this bowl are some grated cheddar cheese. If you don't have cheddar cheese, you can use any other cheese of your choice. Now generously add the cheese on top of the broccoli and potatoes. Then here are some shredded mozzarella cheese which I will add now. Adding different varieties of cheese generously makes any casserole yummy and delicious. And if you want to add any other cheese, you can add that too. And now we'll pour the egg and flour batter over the broccoli, potatoes and cheese. Now these are oregano and chili flakes which I will sprinkle on top for added flavor. And now in a preheated oven we will bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until they are done. And after 20 minutes, our potato and broccoli casserole is ready, baked properly golden brown. I will now cut and show a small portion of it so that you can see how the casserole has turned out. And friends, this casserole is not just quick and easy to make but also very yummy, cheesy and delicious, and even kids will love this. Here it goes. So friends, do try this recipe for yourself and let me know your feedbacks. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.